Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Kospet Tank T2, okay, a premium rugged smartwatch with a garment-like design. And as you can see here, it is a beautiful smartwatch with high-end features. For example, it has a premium AMOLED screen display. As you can see here, more to display, more to try. Okay, and of course, it's a military grade, RAP tested MIL or military standard 810H USA rated. Okay, so it is a rugged outdoor smartwatch. And of course, we are going to install the support app for this smartwatch. It is the Kospet Fit. Okay, and as you can see here, it has its own support app. Okay, dedicated support app for this smartwatch, and not just any other third third party application. Okay, so meaning we expect that it will be stable and more features available exclusively for the Kospet smartwatch, particularly the Kospet Tank T2. Okay, so let's try and install the support app in Android. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch or the app installation for the smartwatch, the Kospet Fit, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's turn on the smartwatch. Let's power on. Okay, English. Okay, we'll pair it later. Okay, it's the Kospet Tank T2. Okay, so we're done. So we have here our smartphone in Android. So let's search for the Kospet Fit. Although we have a QR code there, let's search it directly here. Kospet Fit. You can also download it using the QR code in the user manual. Okay, so we have here the application. Okay, let me show to you. Let me show the user manual of the smartwatch. Okay, we have it here. Okay, so here's the user manual, the Kospet T2. And of course, it's available here, the QR code, as you can see. Okay, just search in the App Store, Kospet Fit, available in the health and fitness category. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so here's the application. Okay, Amazware Technology, Kospet Fit. So we also have another one in here, Kospet Fit Lite. Okay, I guess ours is the Kospet Fit. Okay, so it's a new app. Okay, and it's exclusive only for the Kospet smartwatches or Kospet wearable. Okay, so Amazware, 500 plus downloads. As you can see here, it's a pretty new application. So Kospet Fit is a supported application for smartwatch. Okay, so though we don't have any reviews here so far, and as I have said, it's a new application, so 40 MB. So let's tap to install. It's still pending. Let's see. Okay, so let's wait. We'll get back to you when the installation is almost finished. Okay, it's almost finished here. Okay, or Kospet Fit, as you can see, it's now installing. Okay, so let's just wait a few seconds. So it is for health monitoring, okay, exercise and physical activities, and more. We are also interested in checking on the specification or the watch face of the smartwatch. Okay, so here we're done. Kospet Fit, open. Okay, so as you can see, our Bluetooth is not yet activated. Tap on agree. So here we are, oh, we are not required, but you can also sign up. Okay, you can also use third-party login, Google or Facebook, or you can just skip it for a moment and just proceed to the application. Okay, why does Kospet Fit need to run in the background? So you have to set the permission to run in the background. Okay, just go to set. Okay, so we will allow it, okay, to have a smooth, okay, run of the application. Okay, go back. Okay, guess we're already done with it. Let's see. Okay, allow. We started with other apps. Okay, going back. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I think we missed something. Tap, let's see. Ignore. Okay, we already set it, I think. Kospet Fit. Okay, then let's see. Okay, so we ignore after setting, then pick mail. Next. Okay, let's just leave it as it is. Okay, next. Complete. Okay, if you want, you can set your own. Okay, Kospet Fit wants to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, so that is the Bluetooth connectivity. Just allow it. So another permission here. Okay, turning on Bluetooth, and it is now activated. Okay, so here in the UI, we have health. Okay, we have sports, we have the watch, and we have the profile here. Okay, so let's check. Tap on the watch, add device. So here we have another permission. In Android 6.0 and above, device connection needs to get your location information. Please turn on. Okay, so we will activate it. Go back, add device again. Okay, another permission, I got it. Just allow it. Allow Kospet Fit to access this device location. Allow it. And it's now searching. Okay, please bring the device closer to the phone. So we have here the smartwatch. And we have here, okay, it's already, okay, detected. Tap on it. And we are connecting. Okay, so that's it. I guess we are already paired with our smartwatch. Very smooth connection so far. Okay, so here we have a contacts and call history. I guess this is for the call notifications or Bluetooth call. Just pair it. And as you can see, very fast connectivity to our smartwatch. Let's check if we have a firmware upgrade. Checking. Okay, latest version. Okay, so that is, we have the latest firmware. So we have universal settings. Let's check language here. Okay, let's have the app reminder. Let's activate it. Okay, messenger. Okay, permission again. Activate, allow. We're done. Let's check WeChat. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, go back, and SMS. So we have a separate, okay, permission for it. I got it. Allow again. Allow Kospet Fit to send messages or to send and view SMS messages. Just allow it. Allow Kospet Fit to access your contacts. Just allow it. And I guess we are done. Okay, call reminder. Turn it on. So another permission. Okay, make and manage phone calls. Just allow it. To access your phone, call logs. Just allow it. And we're done. Okay, so here you can set if it's delayed reminder or not. Okay, I guess we are now paired with our smartwatch. Okay, so we have here connected GPS. This is the health section of the smartwatch, and we have the settings here. Okay, so that's it for the pairing or the installation and connection of the Kospet Fit with our Kospet Tank T2 smartwatch in the Android platform. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the app installation, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.